Several priority bills were discussed and approved today as the Senate convened for a special session. The Commission on Appointments also confirmed all pending ad interim appointments for the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Department of Foreign Affairs. As we hear more, details from Carlo Luis Candelaria.
As Congress convened for a special session today, the Senate continued passing laws under the new majority led by Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. This morning, several bills were approved on third and final reading, such as Senate Bill 2092, which declares the waling-waling or Vanda sanderiana as the national orchid of the Philippines, House Bill 6639 and House Bill 6644, which grant Philippine citizenship to Benny Boatwright and Matthew Ramos. Meanwhile, Senate President Win Gatchalian led the plenary session of the Commission on Appointments or CA in accordance with the special session called today. The contingent from the House of Representatives and the senator members were present except for Senator Jinggoy Estrada, who is currently detained. Senator Joel Villanueva was appointed as the acting majority floor leader for today's CA session. Right after, the Committee on National Defense proceeded with its meeting to recommend to the CA plenary the confirmation of the ad interim appointments of generals and flag officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. These include 1 Lieutenant General, 1 Major General, 1 Vice Admiral, and 2 Brigadier Generals. During a part of the session, Senator Rodante Marcoleta questioned their confirmation and cited RA 11939, which requires generals being promoted to have at least 1 year of active service remaining before their compulsory retirement. He noted that the generals had less than a year left. Senator Lacson explained that their ad interim appointments were made before Congress adjourned sine die and that today's special session is merely a continuation of it. Therefore, the 1-year ban does not apply to them yet. The Committee on Foreign Affairs also held a meeting where it recommended to the plenary the nominations and ad interim appointments of 85 foreign service officials of the Department of Foreign Affairs. In the end, the Commission on Appointments confirmed all pending appointments in the AFP and the DFA. As the session continued this afternoon, the period of amendments was reopened for the proposed Magna Carta for Barangay Health Workers, where Senator Pia Cayetano and Senator Riza Hontiveros heatedly debated certain provisions of the law. During the continuation of the special session today, other important bills and priority legislation requiring immediate action from the legislature were discussed. However, the Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situations or AICS bill failed to be ratified after it was not signed by their counterpart, according to Senator Erwin Tulfo. Following this, the session formally adjourned sine die. Carlo Luis Candelaria for The Nation.